Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Park your Jeep Gladiator on level ground, set the parking brake, and place wheel chocks on both sides of the opposite tire to prevent rolling. Retrieve the spare, jack, lug wrench, torque wrench, and a flashlight before starting the job so everything is at hand. Confirm the spare tire pressure is 35 psi and wear gloves and a reflective vest for visibility. Locate the factory spare under the bed and the jack point near the frame rail. Keep children and bystanders clear of the work area. Loosen the 5 lug nuts slightly with the lug wrench while the wheel is still on the ground. Do not remove them yet, only break them loose. Position the jack under the reinforced frame rail jack, point near the tire, and raise the vehicle until the wheel clears the ground by about 3 to 4 inches. Remove the 5 lug nuts and pull the wheel straight off, keeping the lug nuts in a secure, visible place and inspecting the hub and brake components for damage or debris. Mount the spare wheel onto the hub, align the holes, and hand thread the 5 lug nuts to hold the wheel in place while you lower the jack slightly. Lower the vehicle until the tire contacts the ground, but the vehicle weight is not fully on it. Then use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 125 ft-pounds to factory specification. Lower the vehicle fully, stow your tools, and drive cautiously. Re-torque the lug nuts to 125 ft-pounds after 50 miles, and confirm spare pressure is 35 psi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.